Welcome to our channel Life Insights. Today's question is, why do some people are rich while others are remaining as poor? Clearly, it indicates the lack of self-knowledge. We have already explained about self-knowledge in the previous videos. Man knows everything other than himself. The self is promoted. Hence, we don't bother about others. We think that we are separate from others. The very day man has separated from the nature, all the problems have started. It is the fact. Hence, communism dealt with haves and have-nots, but it could not address the problem. Till date, the problem is remaining. In some societies, the gap is large, while in some societies, the gap is narrowing down. It is because of these people's effort, the gap is narrowing. But still, so many countries are there where poverty is prevailing. Why we are not in a position to tackle this problem? Even after enacting so many laws, still the problem continues. It indicates that spiritual darkness is existing among the people. People are oriented towards pleasure seeking and also towards experiencing. Self is such a complex phenomenon that it always wants various experiences. But most of the time, we find that the experiences are illusory. And also, modern day living encourages more and more. Even if we have enough, still we want more. More and more indicates that the self is strengthened. When the self is strengthened, the problems are multiplied. Now, who has created the problem? We ourselves have created this trap. Once we have created the trap, we want to come out of that. So it becomes more difficult. Any kind of human problems are difficult to be dealt with. Corruption, violence, terrorism, all these problems are here in the society. The modern day education has failed. It has been found out so. We are putting enough trust on these man-made systems. But the man-made systems are failing. Hence, the society becomes violence. Now, how do we solve this problem? For this, there is only one solution. Man has the chance to transform himself. He must be concerned about himself. Instead of being interested in outside world too much, he must know about himself also. Spirituality deals with knowing about oneself. If we know about ourselves, then we will be able to know about the outside world. But the present day situation is, we want to know about all the other things except ourselves. Hence, all the problems are becoming complex and multiplied. We are in conflicts everywhere. Apparently, we are telling that we have become intelligent, but we find that only few people are intelligent. All the other people are mediocre. People are mediocre, hence these problems are not solved. Again, we have not been encouraged to be creative. Instead, we are encouraged to be imitative. Most of the people are imitative. They want to remain as second-hand human beings. They don't want to remain as first-hand human beings. Hence, all the human problems are becoming complex. In recent days, terrorism has shown its ugly face. The humanity is faced with it. Terrorism is also because of lack of self-knowledge. Hence, self-knowledge should be given utmost importance. Then we will be having an enlightened society. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life.